Today we'll share the latest updates on NASA's 90th and 91st American spacewalks aboard the International Space Station. NASA will live stream the 90th spacewalk, which will take place on June 13, 2024. Astronauts Tracy C. Dyson and Matt Dominick will take part in this mission. Dyson will perform his fourth spacewalk in a red-striped spacesuit. Dominick will make his first spacewalk in an unmarked suit. Their mission will be to remove a malfunctioning radio frequency assembly in the ISS's starboard truss region and collect samples to study the ability of microorganisms to survive and reproduce in the harsh conditions of space. After this important mission, NASA will announce the team members for the 91st and 92nd spacewalks on June 24th and July 2. These spacewalks will also be available to watch live on NASA's various platforms. The International Space Station is not only a spaceport, but also a microgravity laboratory. The ISS opens the door to scientific discoveries that are not possible on Earth and helps us in deep space exploration. These missions have the potential to improve not only technological advances in space, but also life on Earth. NASA events like these are a great opportunity to raise interest in space exploration and inspire new generations. Don't forget to follow NASA's official channels so you don't miss these exciting events. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay informed about more space adventures and scientific discoveries in our future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.